for me since I'm down with you. Ooh. It's not hard for you.
Take off one for you, say it.
Hey guys, so I just got done getting my nails and wax done, and every time I get this done I get in a better mood. All I need is my hair done and I'll be complete. So Thursday I'm going to be in Vegas. I'm so excited. It's gonna be a road trip, and I want to do something really special for making it to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. I don't know, I want to probably do a giveaway. I don't know, I'm gonna think of something really creative to do. I'm really excited about that. A little milestone. Is it called a milestone? So today, I don't know exactly everything I'm gonna be doing. I'm supposed to hang out with a friend though. We'll have dinner, catch up, and probably after that I should start packing. I probably should, well, I need to start packing after that. So I don't know if I'm gonna have time to do makeup either. Okay, I'm really bad at time management, so I need to really figure things out. Right now, what time is it? It's still early. I'm hungry now. If I get a light snack, I already got a light snack. You know, I got those. I bought the expensive eggs again. I know, guys. I know. I need to save money. And that's a wasteful bag. Whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna get me a light snack, and then I have to pick up some stuff. I need to still go to the store. I still need to get a little bit more things for Vegas. Like I need some, I want to buy some travel size deodorant and body washes. Oh, my video just came out. Okay, so yeah, see you guys later. I just took off my weave. Now I'm gonna wash it once. It's so dirty, and my hair appointment is tomorrow morning. Look at all of this hair. Hey guys, so I just got here to my hair appointment, and I'm gonna get my hair done, and then see you guys later.
Deshaun, Shantez, you are not.
Oh! Hey guys, so right now I am going to do a quick face while I pack my makeup and head out. I'm going to Vegas within 30 minutes, so let's see if I can get my makeup done within 30 minutes. Hey, don't do that. Oh, dog. Alright, so let's get started. My foundation and makeup brush.
So literally, I don't care if that's your mom, your nigga. Yeah, I think that's what? Wait! They was going for 30 minutes. That's enough time.
Everybody knows. Whoever I'm with, it was very strategic. I had to give it to the bitch. She was crafty.
No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. No, y'all not about to sit here and say that.
Shake. That's my dog. So I put a little. Damn it. Now I got all on my shirt. Okay, I had to clean it off. Okay. So I put a little bit too much foundation, but it's fine. I'm just gonna keep on blending and then it's gonna come back out. Shake. Just made it. I'm good, girl. But they keep staring. So, oh.